Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can apply this 3D zoom animation and how you can add in like strobe lights as well to it. So just select the photo. You do have to choose a photo for this. Go to AI stylize, select style, go to motion, and then select either 3D zoom 1 or 3D zoom 2. There's like two, so select whichever one that you want. You can also adjust like the duration a little bit here. And once you're done, you're just going to simply go to effects and you're going to search for black flash. Also before I start, like flash warning, I guess, either choose this one or this one. So you can also then adjust the speed. If you want it faster, slide it to the right. If you want it to be slower, slide it to the left. So you're just going to adjust it, and that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.